Planning to bring your spouse or children to Canada? Good news, the Family Reunification Program is one of the best ways. Canada's Family Sponsorship Program lets citizens and permanent residents sponsor close family members for permanent residency. To be a sponsor, you must be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident aged 18 or older. You can sponsor your spouse, common law partner, or conjugal partner, as well as your dependent children. Sponsors need to show financial ability, and both sponsor and applicant must not be inadmissible to Canada. A sponsored family member receives Canadian permanent residency, opening the door to a stable future in Canada. Permanent residency allows your family member to live, work, and study anywhere in Canada. They also gain access to high-quality public health care and other important social benefits after landing. Processing times usually range from 12 to 18 months, depending on the relationship and location. Factors such as complete documents and accurate information can help make processing faster and smoother. Processing times can vary by country of application and how quickly you respond to additional requests. One of the most common mistakes is submitting incomplete or missing information on your application forms. Forgetting to include all required supporting documents can delay or even refuse your application. Misunderstanding eligibility rules or the definition of dependent children is another pitfall. Always double-check the requirements. With careful planning, your family's future in Canada can start soon. Take the first step toward your new home today.